Hola, buenos días, bienvenidos a mi canal Unique Spanish Class. Queridos niños, queridos estudiantes, queridos amigos, todos bienvenidos a mi canal. Dear friends, today I am going to teach you a very nice presentation in Spanish language. This is the presentation of daily life. So dear friends, you know, everybody has a daily life, I, you and others. So everybody should know, especially the person having interest and who practice Spanish language, who want to practice further in Spanish language, so they should know. So that's why I have selected this video for all of such candidates. So now I am going to teach how to describe our daily life in Spanish language. So I am going to teach you these things by describing my daily life. So I have written here my daily life, based on which, following which, I am confident you will be able to describe your daily life also. So first I will be describing my daily life as it is written here, and thereafter I will be explaining all the necessary words, phrases used in this description. So, my daily life is called Mi Vida Cotidiana. My daily life is Mi Vida Cotidiana. So here I go. I am telling my daily life as I have written here already on the board. Mi vida cotidiana es muy simple. Me levanto a las 6 de mañana. Me cepillo y hago ejercicio físico. Poco después me ducho y tomo el desayuno. Me visto y me voy para trabajo a las 9 de mañana. Vuelvo a casa a las 5 de tarde. Descanso un poco viendo la tele y charlando con mis padres. Tomo la cena a las 10 de noche y finalmente me acuesto a las 11 de noche. Pero los días libres cambia esta rutina en unos casos. So here it is the Spanish version of my daily life. Now I am going to express the meaning of each sentence. Mi vida cotidiana es muy simple. My daily life is very simple. Me levanto a las 6 de mañana. I get up at 6 in the morning. Me cepillo, I brush my teeth. Y hago ejercicio físico, and take physical exercise. Poco después me ducho. Soon afterwards I take bath. Y tomo el desayuno, and take breakfast. Me visto y me voy. I get dressed. I am dressed up and I go for office. Go for trabajo, meaning that I go for job a las 9 de mañana, at 9 in the morning. Vuelvo a casa a las 6, a las 5. Vuelvo a casa, I return home at 5 de tarde in the afternoon. Descanso un poco, I take rest a little bit viendo la tele, watching television, and charlando con mis padres, talking and chatting with my parents. Tomo la cena a las 10. I take dinner at 10 de noche, at night. Y finalmente me acuesto. Finally I take bed. I go to bed a las 11 de noche, at 11 at night. Pero los días libres, on the holidays, cambia esta rutina. This routine changes en unos casos, in some cases. So now I have described the English meaning against each sentence. Now I am going to mention one by one the important words and phrases, especially with the verbs I am going to explain. So dear friends, I think you know daily life. When anything concerns daily life, it's a matter of simple present. So the verbs I have already used in this description all are simple present tense. So now I am pointing out all the verbs in simple present tense and all the verbs used in the sentence. S, me vida es. My, me vida cotidiana, my daily life is verb, simple present. Me levanto, verb, me levanto, it is I get up. Me cepillo, I take brush, I brush my teeth. Hago, I do. Ejercicio físico, do physical exercise. Me ducho, I take shower, I take bath. Tomo, I take el desayuno. Tomo el desayuno, I take breakfast. So tomo is take. Me visto, I get dressed. Me voy, I go out para trabajo for job. The me voy is I go out. Vuelvo, I return. A casa, home, I return home. Then descanso, I take rest. Descanso un poco means I take rest a little bit. Now tomo, tomo is take. La cena, I take dinner. Finalmente acuesto, the me acuesto, I go to bed, I take bed. Los días libres, cambia, change. Cambia is change. The los días libres cambia esta rutina. This routine changes. So dear friends, all the underlined words are the verbs used in this paragraph. So S means is, me levanto, get up, I get up. Me cepillo, I brush my teeth. Hago, I do. Me visto, I get dressed. Me voy, I go out. Vuelvo, I return. Descanso, I take rest. Tomo, I take or I eat. Me acuesto, I go to bed. Cambia, change. So these are the verbs, and follow one thing. Some verbs are also marked with red color. So these are called reflexive verbs. The reflexive verbs are very much important, and these are the verbs which are a little bit uncommon to the other regular verbs. So about this, I mean about reflexive verbs, I am going to make video very soon, but it is important to know also. But don't worry, right now according to the meaning, as I have told you, remember all the verbs, no matter what is reflexive, what is normal verbs, accordingly you have to remember. And some adjectives are here. Cotidiana means daily. Vida, life. It is feminine noun, that's why cotidiana adjective becomes feminine. You know, adjective is feminine when the noun qualify, but the adjective is also feminine. Físico, it is also an adjective because it qualifies ejercicio, exercise. Which exercise? Physical exercise. It is adjective. So now some adjectives are there, that is numeric adjectives, that is diez, cinco, diez, cinco. This is numeric adjectives. It is related to the number. Seis. Okay, so these are called reflexive These are called reflexive numeric adjectives. Okay. These are all called. This is one more numeric adjectives. So this is the numeric adjectives. This will help you. This will help you to remember some. And now los días libres. It means holidays. Unos casos. En unos casos, in few cases. Esta is also an adjective, but this is not numeric adjective, this is demonstrative adjective. Esta rutina, this routine. So nueve, again an adjective. It is again an adjective, it is again numeric adjectives. So friends, I have mentioned so many things are there you have to know, but the things which you have to follow is how the sentences have been used here. Everywhere the verbs used are simple present tense, and red color verb are reflexive verbs, about which I will be publishing, I will be uploading a very important video very soon after, maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks you will be watching this video, also available on YouTube. So this is how I have described my life, and I am sure if you watch this video more than once and twice and at least 3 times, 4 times, until you get to the perfection of your idea and understanding, till then you have to continuously watch this video. So I think this video has already come to your choice, and I hope you have understood very well, and at the same time I hope you will be sharing this video. Who have already liked this video, they will be sharing this video with your friend circle and known circle, and so this is how I will be continuously uploading so many videos on so many important chapters that will help you to develop your skill in Spanish language. So this is all for today's class. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Hasta el próximo video. Hasta luego. Adiós.